Hey, what's up? This is Al with NightQuest Adventures, and I'm here today with another fix, the HP Envy. So watch your brother flex his skills. Hey guys, this is Cool Al with NightQuest Adventures, and we're here today with the HP Envy X360. Okay, today we have the XP here with us today. Dude brought it in and told me that it will not charge anymore, and he's bought different chargers, and nothing is happening. All right, so here is our HP. All right, and let's turn this over real quick and zoom, 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 zoom. As we can see, the HP Envy X360. All right, and it is going to be absolutely hard for you to see this, but nope, we're not going to make it. Okay, in there, the charger is messed up. It's broken somehow, some form of fashion. So what we're going to do is open it up, and we are going to replace that old one with this new one. This is the charger where the plug goes in, and as you can see, it's just a snap in. So let's open it up and see where she goes. Okay, and we're back. Okay, I got the back off of it. This is what it looks like on the inside, and what we are interested in is this piece right here. So what we're going to have to do is take these pieces off, because you see this piece comes down and tucks underneath here. This is what we will call the Wi-Fi card. So this right here would have to be removed so I can get to this plate right here and go on and just take this out, putting it back in. All right, let's get to it. Okay, now we're back, and as you can see, she is in pieces. Okay, so what we had to do was take out one of these main boards right here. We had to take this board out, and we had to take the battery out, just so we can get to this little piece right here. And as you see, once we unhinge this, this thing comes right on out, and we will put the new one in. Bada bing, bada boom. So that's the new one. All I gotta do is put the screws back in, and we'll see it light up. All right, be right back. All right, she is back together again. We got the battery in there. We got that main board in there. And most important, we have the new DC import. That's what it's called, not the power port. It's called the DC import. But we got that in. We are going to put the cover back on, and we're going to see if she starts charging. All right. Okay. And we're back. She's back together. And let's see. As you can see right there on the side, she is charging up. I know it's blurry. Sorry about that. There you go. So as you see, she is charging up. And that tells me I have done a successful job here. Okay, that has been another one from NightQuest Adventures on the HP Envy X360, the replacement of the DC in port.